Good evening, everyone. My name is Mayza, and today I'm going to talk about aptitude test. First, well, in this kind of test is important because teachers and schools will predict what kind of students will success learning in a new language. And in this presentation, I will explain what aptitude tests are, their characteristics, advantage. Maybe we can find challenges, and I will give you 3 examples. Okay. First, what are aptitude tests? Well, this kind of test is used to predict how well someone can learn a new language, and it focuses on future learning, not on what the person already knows. This test check abilities, for example, like memorizing, recognizing sounds, and understanding grammar patterns. They are useful for planning language learning programs. Okay, and now, what makes these tests special? Well, large tests, they check many skills. So this kind of test with many parts, testing different skills. Also forward-looking, they predict future learning ability, not past learning. And finally, measure abilities. And they check many things like memory, grammar skills, and sounds recognition. And why are they useful? Well, we're going to see advantage of this kind of test. First, show who can learn language well. Also helps schools to plan programs. So the school can find students who might learn faster, and also supports long-term goals. For example, well, it focuses on skills needed for future learning. But we also have problems. What are these problems? Well, first, hard to create good tests. It's a complex to design. Also time consuming because it takes a lot of time, and not always accurate, so the results are not always perfect. And we have examples of this kind of test questions. Memory test to remember, for example, a list of words. Sound test to find if sounds are the same or different in a list also. And grammar test, well, spot patterns in sentences. So this kind of task show how aptitude tests measure learning ability. And well, in conclusion, well, to summarize, aptitude test helps teacher to predict how well students can learn a new language. They are also useful for planning and improving education, but they can also be hard to design and take a time to use this kind of test. Thank you for watching my presentation.